All right, so let's make some wellness shots. We'll add some pineapple, lemon, turmeric, ginger, coconut water, and then at the very end, we'll add some black pepper to the top. And we'll be filling them up in these little glasses. They're like 20 bucks on Amazon for 12 of these. Let's get started. So my wife started making these wellness shots to help with inflammation, digestion, and then also just with our immune system. So, pineapple, all the turmeric, and a whole lot of ginger, lemon, no, add the coconut water. Okay, all right, now that we've got everything added in, we'll go blend it up. It's all blended up. We'll use a cheesecloth, a strainer, and then we have a large measuring, liquid measuring container. That'd be the right word? Yeah, we have a large liquid measuring container to strain all the juice into. So, here's the juice. We just blend it up. Make sure. See how it's all chunky like this and it's getting stuck? What we have the cheesecloth for. Squeezing the crap out of it, as my wife said. And then there's the juice. Now we just gotta work to get the rest of it out. Working out well. And then what we're left with is all the pulp. Got another container. We'll put all that to the side. Wow, this is definitely gonna nice ball of pulp. We use this for, huh? Yeah, we use this for fertilizer. We got a couple avocado plants, some palm trees, or avocado plants. Haven't yielded any avocados yet, but good fertilizer. The trees, other home plants that you got. Plants at home, words, things. All right. Now that's all done. That's how much we have. Now we'll get these separate. Now we'll get this separated out into the jars. Okay, so now that we have everything all sifted and separated into the liquid measuring container, with your blender, so it doesn't stain kind of like how my hands are, make sure you give it a good rinse before continuing on with anything else. Now let's get these are about 2 ounce. Let's get the 2 ounce jars ready to go. Then if you have it, it definitely helps a lot having a little funnel. Okay, so the last part is topping everything off with pepper. It helps activate the benefits of the turmeric to help your body absorb all of those nutrients. Cool, now that we're done with that, let's get the tops back on. And just like that, we have a homemade ginger, turmeric, pineapple, walnut shot.